Good morning students. Today I will start atomic structure. So in this atomic structure, every competitive examination, two questions are coming. First, in this atomic structure important topics and which concept they are asking the questions. Already you know what is atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number. If atom is neutral, number of protons are equal to number of electrons. Number of protons are equal to number of electrons. So the atomic number is denoted by Z. Second one, what is mass number? Mass number. So the mass number is denoted by A, the sum of protons and neutrons is nothing but mass number. So any element is represented as generally X. In subscript always indicate atomic number, in superscript mass number. Here atomic number already again, atomic number is equal to number of protons, mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to number of neutrons is equal to, so A minus protons. Protons are nothing but atomic number. So A minus J. A minus J. This is important. So based on this concept, how to ask the questions. First, this is important for competitive. So for example, sodium. Sodium atomic number is 11, mass number is 23. Mass number is 23. So in this, what is the question means in sodium 11, 23, how many protons, electrons and neutrons are present? This is the question. Number of protons, electrons and neutrons. Here sodium is neutral. Number of protons are equal to atomic number 11. In neutral atom, number of protons are equal to number of electrons. So number of electrons are also 11. Now number of neutrons is equal to number of neutrons. Here number of neutrons are equal to A minus Z. A minus Z. A is equal to over here 23. 23 minus 11, that is equal to that. Number of protons, electrons and neutrons, they are asking this type of questions. Next one. Next one. For example, sodium 1123 and past 2. Past 2 means loss of electrons. How many electrons are lost? 1 electrons. In this, how many electron, protons and neutrons are present? Number of protons are equal to atomic number. Number of electrons are equal to, if atom is neutral, number of protons are equal to number of electrons. But if the atom is not neutral, it is unipositive ion. So loss of 1 electrons. So number of electrons are equal to 10. Number of electrons are equal to 10. Now number of neutrons is equal to, number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. A minus Z. A is equal to 23 minus 11. That is equal to 12. Listen. So for example, F, fluorine. Fluorine 919. It contains how many? How many protons, electrons and neutrons? Number of protons are equal to atomic number 9. Number of electrons is equal to, this atom is neutral. So number of electrons are also 9. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. So mass number is 19 minus 9. That is equal to 10. 10. For example, F 919 and minus. Just in this case, F 919 minus. In this, how many proton, electrons and neutrons are present? Number of protons is equal to atomic number 9. Number of electrons is equal to gain of one electron. Gain of electron, one electron means 10 electrons. Number of neutrons is equal 19 minus 9 only, that is equal to 10. So based on atomic number and mass number, they are asking how many electrons, protons and neutrons present in a given species. For example, Mg 12 and 24 plus 2. It contains how many protons, electrons and neutrons. Here protons are equal to atomic number, that is nothing but 12. Electrons are equal to a loss of 2 electrons. Number of electrons are 10. Number of neutrons is equal 24 minus 12, that is equal to 12. So this type of questions they are asking. So important one question, just observe. Important question. What is the question is? A di-positive ion. Di-positive ion. Di-positive ion. Atomic number is 20 and mass number is 40. It contains how many protons, electrons and neutrons? A di-positive ion atomic number is 20 and mass number is 40. It contains how many protons, electrons and neutrons? That is the question. Di-positive means any element is represented as X. Here atomic number is given how much? 20. Mass number is how much? 40. It is di-positive ion plus 2. Di-positive ion. So it contains how many protons? Protons are nothing but number of atomic number. Atomic number is 20. Number of electrons. Electrons means a di-positive ion. How many electrons are lost? 2 electrons are lost. So number of electrons are 18. Number of neutrons is equal mass number minus atomic number. Mass number 40 minus 20, that is equal to 20. So this type of questions mostly they are asking this one. Next one. Next. Here a unique negative ion. Atomic number is 17 and mass number is equal to 35. It contains how many protons, electrons and neutrons? It contains how many protons, electrons and neutrons? So just indicate unique negative ion. Unique negative ion means this is representation of an element. Subscript atomic number, that is 17. Superscript mass number 35. So it is unique negative ion. So it contains how many protons? Means atomic number. Atomic number is 17. So number of protons are 17. Number of electrons are nothing but gain of one electron. Already 17 are present. Gain of one electron is 18 electrons. Number of neutrons is equal mass number minus atomic number. Mass number is 35 minus 17. That is equal to 80. So this type of questions are mostly important. Next one, based on atomic number and mass number, again they are asking what are isotopes, isobars, isodiaphers, okay, isoelectronic species. Just the first one, isotopes. What are isotopes? Isotopes means same atomic number and different mass number. Same atomic number and different mass number is nothing but isotopes. Here, for example, hydrogen 11, hydrogen 12, hydrogen 13. Atomic number is same and mass number is different. Same atomic number and different mass number are called as isotopes. So here just same mass atomic number and different mass number. Here number of neutrons, important question. Here number of neutrons are equal to A minus Z, already you know. A minus Z, here 1 minus 1, 0. Here 2 minus 1, 1. Here 3 minus 1, 1, 2. Sorry. So hydrogen has how many isotopes? 3 isotopes. Protium, deuterium and tritium. In hydrogen isotopes, which of the following hydrogen isotopes does not contain neutron? The protium. Protium. In hydrogen isotopes, tritium is a radioactive isotope. Tritium is a radioactive isotope. Important one. This is important. So tritium always emits. Tritium always emits beta particle. Tritium always emits beta particle. Important one. These are isotopes. Atoms having same atomic number but different mass number is nothing but isotopes. What are isobars? Isobar. Isobar. So isobars are nothing but the atoms having different atomic number and same mass number. Different atomic number and same mass number are called as isobars. Isobar. Important here. So here the subject potassium 1940, calcium 2040. Here atomic number is different but mass number is same. If atomic number is different and mass number is same are called as isobars. Isobars. Important. In this case, number of neutrons, just find out number of neutrons. Here number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. A is nothing but A minus Z. So 40 minus 19, that is equal to 21. Here 40 minus 20, here 21. Important. After this one I will explain overall. Isotopes, isobars, isotones. Next one is isotone. What is isotone? Isotones. Isotones are nothing but here different atomic number, different mass number, but contain same number of neutrons. Different atomic number, different mass number, but contain same number of neutrons are called as isotones. Isotones. For example, let's talk about silicon 14, 30. Phosphorus 15, 31. Silicon 14, 30, phosphorus 15, 31. Here number of neutrons is observed. Atomic number is different and mass number is also different. In this case, number of neutrons are same. Here number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z, already know. So number of neutrons 30 minus 14, 16. Here 31 minus 31 minus 15. Here also 60. Same number of neutrons. They are called as isotones. So just observe, they are asking the question, how to ask the question based on this one. Here isotopes, isobar, isotones, isotopes, isobars, isotones. Here atomic number Z, mass number A, number of neutrons, number of neutrons. Number of neutrons. Here isotopes means, what are isotopes? Just observe here, simple. This is isotope, sorry. isotopes, isobar, here isotones, here examples. Here isotopes, examples are hydrogen 11, hydrogen 12, hydrogen 13. Isobars, anyone is potassium 1940, calcium 2040. Isotones are nothing but here silicon 1430, phosphorus 1531. Here atomic number, just after here isotopes, same atomic number. Atomic number is same. Mass number different. Mass number is different. Number of neutrons different. So the important one is this. What just isotope means already know. What are isotopes? Means same atomic number and different mass number, but here different number of neutrons are. So that is important. So isotopes is nothing but same atomic number, different mass number and different number of neutrons. That concept is important. Similarly, isobars. Isobars means just after here. Isobars, atomic number is different. Mass number same. Number of neutrons. Here 40 minus 19, 21. 40 minus 20, 20. So here this is also different. Isobars means same mass number, different atomic number and different number of neutrons. That is important. Similarly, isotones means this is different. Atomic number is different. Mass number is different. Next one, this is same. Number of neutrons are same. This table is important. This table is enough. What are isotopes, isobars, isotones? Isotopes, isobars, isotones. In some other competitive orientation, isodiaphers are also important. What are isodiaphers? Next concept is what are isodiaphers? Isodiaphers means different atomic number, different mass number, but contains same isotopic number. Same isotopic number. A minus 2Z, that is nothing but isotopic number. R N minus P, number of neutrons minus number of protons. Different atomic number, different mass number, but contains same number of same isotopic number are called isodiaphers. For example, fluorine 919, sodium 1123. Fluorine 919, sodium 1123. Example. So in this isotopic number is nothing but A minus 2Z. Just A minus 2Z. A is nothing but mass number 19 minus 2 into atomic number 18, that is equal to 1. Isotopic number is 1. In this case 23 minus mass number minus A minus 2Z. 2 is atomic number. 2 into 11, 22. So you are getting one. So isotopic number is same. Or n minus p, number of neutrons minus number of protons. Here number of neutrons are equal to, in this case number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Number of neutrons are nothing but 10. P is nothing but number of protons. Here atomic number, protons are nothing but atomic number. Atomic number is how much? 9. Minus 9. That is equal to 1. In this case 23 minus 11. Number of neutrons are 12. Number of protons 11. That is also 1. These are nothing but isodiaphers. The atoms having different atomic number, different mass number, but contain same isotopic number are called as isodiaphers. Isodiaphers. Anyone is possible in this case. Next one. Next one. Next important topic is isostars. Isostars. What are isostars? The molecule which having same number of atoms and same number of electrons. Same number of atoms and same number of electron containing species are called as isostars. Same number of atoms and same number of electrons containing species are called as isostars. Here N2O and CO. N2O and CO. In N2O, number of atoms. Number of atoms is equal to 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Here number of atoms, 1 plus 2, 3. Number of atoms are same. Now number of electrons. Number of electrons. Number of electrons is equal to nitrogen, 7. Plus 7 plus 8, that is equal to 14. 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8, 32. Sorry. 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8 is nothing but 22. 22 electrons. In this case, number of electrons 6 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 4, 22. These are nothing but isostars. The molecules which are having same number of atoms and same number of electrons are called as isostars. So overall I have given 5 terms: isotopes, isobars, isotones, isodiaphers, and isostars. Next, last and important topic is isoelectronic species. What are isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic species. Isoelectronic species. What are isoelectronic species? Isoelectronic species means the atoms or ions or molecules which contain same number of electrons are called as isoelectronic species. The atoms or ions or molecules which contain same number of electrons are called as isoelectronic species. For example, carbon minus 4, nitrogen minus 3, oxygen minus 2, fluorine minus 1, neon. Next one, sodium plus, magnesium plus 2, Al plus 3, silicon plus 4. Here, these all are contain how many electrons? 10 electrons. These all are contain 10 electrons. So these are isoelectronic species. The atoms are ions or molecules which contain same number of electrons are called as isoelectronic species. For example, second example. This is first example. Now second example, just observe here. P minus 3. It contain how many electrons? Phosphorus 15 plus 3, 18. Now S minus 2. 16 plus 2, 18. Next one. Cl minus 17 plus 1, 18. Argon 18. K plus 19 minus 1, 18. Calcium plus 2, 20 minus 2, 18. Scandium plus 3. Last of 23 minus 3, 18. These all are contained 18 electrons. 18. These are also called as isoelectronic species. Once you know this concept, next atomic size or ionic size is very easy. Otherwise, little bit difficult. First, you will learn what are isoelectronic species. Important. Based on this one, how to ask the questions. Isoelectronic species. Just write. Isoelectronic species. First question one. One question. Which of the following is isoelectronic with? Which of the following is isoelectronic with neon? Which of the following is isoelectronic? Which of the following is isoelectronic with neon? Options. First one is HF. Second one is NH3. Third one is H2O. Fourth one is R. Which of the following is isoelectronic with neon? Isoelectronic means same number of electrons. Here neon contain how many electrons? 10 electrons. 10 electrons. Here HF contain 1 plus 9, 10 electrons. Here ammonia, nitrogen 7 plus hydrogen, each hydrogen 1 3 plus 10 electrons. Now H2O 2 electrons plus 8 10 electrons. So these are all isoelectronic neon. Option is D. All is correct. All is correct. Next question. Second question. In which of the following cation and anions are isoelectronic with each other? Important questions. In which of the following cation and anions are isoelectronic with each other? Options. NaCl, MgO, KF. Next one, MgCl. Which of the following cation and anions are isoelectronic with? Cation and anions are isoelectron with each other. Which one is correct? So generally in this salts, left side is cation, right side is anion. How to break this one? Na plus Cl minus. Sodium contain how many electrons? 10 electrons. Loss of 1 electron. Sodium 11. Loss of 1 electron is 10 electrons. Chlorine generally 17. Gain of 1 electron is 18. These are not isoelectronic. Next one, MgO. Here Mg plus 2 and O minus 2. Mg plus 2 means how many electrons? 10 electrons. O minus 2 also how many electrons? 10 electrons. This is correct. Cation and anions are isoelectronic with each other. Important one. Here Kf. K plus F minus. Potassium 19. 19 means loss of 1 electron means 18 electrons. Here 9. Gain of 1 electron is 10 electrons. It is also not correct. MgCl2. Mg plus 2 and Cl minus. Mg plus 2 means 10 electrons. Cl minus is 8 electrons. This is also not correct. Which is the correct option? B. So this type of questions they are asking in based on atomic number and mass number, means number of electrons, number of protons and number of neutrons. This is one best concept in atomic structure. After that I will explain another concepts. So just you refer this one, followed by just you write.